I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today, in today's class, we are going to see non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous, non-homogeneous DE of the different types. That is type 1, type 2, type 3. These three types we are going to see. Already what is type 1, type 2, type 3 I already explained to you. So based on these three types, we are going to see the problems. Right. First problem in this. Solve d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to e power 2x plus cos 2x plus 4. E power 2x plus cos 2x plus 4. Now, how do you simplify this? We know that first we have to find CF. How do you simplify this means? Solution d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to e power 2x plus cos 2x plus 4. Now CF of the form d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Now we can write a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 4. Now m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now b is nothing but minus of minus should be plus 4. Root of b square should be minus 4 square. B square minus 4ac 4 into a into c is nothing but 4 divided by 2a. 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. Now you can write m equal to plus 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 16 divided by 2a is nothing but 2. 16 minus 16 should be 0. So m equal to plus 4 plus or minus root of 0 divided by 2. Now you will get, so m equal to 4 plus 0 divided by 2, m equal to 4 minus 0 divided by 2, m equal to 2 comma 2 you will get. If the roots are 2 comma 2 means I'll write CF of the form yc equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power of 2x. Now yp equal to yp, how do you write your c? So numerator containing e power 2x cos 2x plus 4 divided by plus 4 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. This I can write yp equal to, first numerator is, if you see here, e power 2x is there, plus cos 2x is there, plus 4 is there. I'm going to separate the terms. One term, first term should be e power 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Another one should be cos 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 4 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. 4 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Now I'll write this one only, yp equal to, first term I am writing as p1, second term I am writing as p2, and third term I am writing as p3. Yp equal to p1 plus p2 plus p3. Now what is that? P1 is nothing but e power 2x. P1 is nothing but, so first I'll write, so p1 equal to e power 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. This is p1. Similarly, p2 equal to, What is that? P2 equal to, we know that cos 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. This is P2. Now P3 equal to constant 4 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Now P1 equal to e power 2x divided by d square minus 4d is nothing but in the place of d, 2 we can replace. D is nothing but 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4. Just I replace, this is type 1. So e power 2x plus this one should be type 1. Type 1 means in the place of d, I'll replace by 2. Now if you simplify this, P1 equal to e power 2x divided by 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 into 2 should be 8 plus 4. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 should be 0. So P1 equal to e power 2x divided by 0 you will get. Now once if f of d is 0 means what is f of d equal to d square plus minus 4d plus 4. This is f of d. Now f dash of d is nothing but differentiation of d square should be 2d. Differentiation of 4d is nothing but 4. Now I'll put P1 equal to, put x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator x into e power 2x divided by differentiation of f of d is nothing but f dash of d, that is nothing but you will get 2d minus 4. Now once again I'll replace d by 2. If I'll replace d by 2, P1 equal to x into e power 2x divided by, again I'll replace d into d plus 2 minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 should be 0. Again, I'll get P1 equal to, put one more x, already x is there, x into e power 2x. Denominator 0 we are getting. Denominator 0 we are getting. Once you will get 0, so you will put x in the numerator, that one you will do. Before doing this, P1 equal to, I'll show here, see, P1 equal to x into x, sorry, P1 equal to, I'll write x into e power 2x divided by 0. This is P1 equal to x into e power 2x divided by 0. Once we'll get this one, so I'll take f of d. What is f of d is nothing but already we have done the differentiation. See here, one time we got 0. One time we got 0. That's why f of d is nothing but d square minus 4d plus 4. That one I have differentiated. Differentiation of f of d is nothing but f dash of d is nothing but 2d minus 4. Again, I'll take that f dash of d equal to 2d minus 4. F double dash of d equal to differentiation of 2d is nothing but 2. 4 is 0. Now I'll put, so P1 equal to, again I'll get x into e power 2x divided by differentiation of f dash of d is nothing but f double dash of d. So P1 equal to x square into e power 2x divided by 2. This is the value of P1. This is the value of P1. Similarly, I have to simplify P2. So P2 equal to cos 2x divided by d square minus 4 is there. This is type 2. So whenever in type 2, what you will replace means d square by minus a square. Here, what is that? X coefficient is 2. So now I'll write d square place should be here. D square is there. In that place, d square place, I'll replace minus 2 square. I can replace. So if I'll replace minus 2 square minus 4d plus 4. Now P2 equal to, I'll write cos 2x divided by minus 2 square is nothing but minus 4d plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 should be 0. Now you'll write P2 equal to cos 2x divided by minus 4d. Now if I'll take minus 4 outside, so P2 equal to minus 1 by 4 into cos 2x divided by d. What is that 1 by d stands for? 1 by d is nothing but integration. Now P2 equal to minus 1 by 4 into integration of cos 2x into dx. What is integration of cos 2x should be? We know that. So P2 equal to 1 by 4 into. So whenever 1 by d comes, suppose in previously I told if d plus 3, d minus 3 like that will come, we have to rationalize. Here only without the constant, if constant is 0, only d is there means I will integrate that. Integration of cos 2x should be sine 2x divided by 2. Now I'll write, so P2 equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 should be 1 by 8 into sine 2x. This is the value of P2. The value of P2. Now P3 equal to 4 into, next I'll write 4 into constant. Constant is there means e power 0x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 you will write. Whenever the x coefficient should be 0 is there means, so it is again type 1 you will get. So it is constant term will come means again it is type 1. Now P3 equal to 4 into e power 0x. Now what I will do, you know that type 1 means replace d by a. So I will replace d by 0 here. So I will replace d by 0. I'll get, so d square plus 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 4. Now P3 equal to 4 into e power 0x divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. So P3 equal to, P3 equal to, we will get, so e power 0x should be, again I will get it as 1 only. P3 equal to, e power 0x should be 1, P3 equal to 1. Finally, I'll write yp equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Yp equal to P1 is nothing but x square into e power 2x divided by 2. P2 is nothing but 1 by 8 into sine 2x. P3 is nothing but 1. This is yp. Now, finally, I can write, so y equal to, finally I can write, so y equal to yc plus yp. Finally, I can write, so y equal to yc plus yp. What is that yc and yp is nothing but, already we know that yc is nothing but c1 plus c2x into e power 2x plus yp. In the previous sheet I have written, so what is that yp is nothing but, first term should be x square e power 2x by 2 plus 1 by 8 into sine 2x. X square e power 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 8 into sine 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 8 into sine 2x plus 1. This is a required solution for the given equation. Right. So next problem you can say in this method only, in that mixed type, that is type 1, type 2, type 3. Next problem. Solve d cube minus 6 into d square plus 11d minus 6 into y equal to e power 2x plus 2 power x plus cos 2x. D cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6 into y equal to e power 2x plus 2 power x plus cos 2x. How do you simplify here? So first, whatever the problem right hand side should be there is there means we have to do CF first. Then afterwards we can look what is the type 1 or type 2 or type 3 like that we should have to look. Now solution for this, solution d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6 into y equal to 0. Sorry, 6 into y equal to CF directly I am taking here. So if we take like this, so auxiliary equation is m cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 equal to 0. Now we'll write the coefficients first. M cube coefficient should be 1. M square coefficient should be minus 6. M coefficient should be 11 minus 6. Now here see, this is M cube minus 6M square plus 11M minus 6. Minus 6 should be minus 12. 1 plus 11 should be 12. Now we can give 1, we can give here. 1 we can give. So here I'll keep 0. Whatever that is there means first term should be 0 in the long division or synthetic division. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 1 should be 1. Minus 6 plus 1 should be minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 should be minus 5. Plus 11 minus 6 should be minus 6. Minus 6 into, sorry, plus 6 you will get. Plus 11 minus 5 should be plus 6. Plus 6 into 1 should be plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 should be 0. Now remaining should be, I will write m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Now we will write a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 6. Now we can write m equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now m equal to minus b. What is that? Minus b is nothing but minus of minus 5 plus or minus b square is nothing but minus 5 square minus 4 into a is nothing but 1 into c is nothing but 6 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. Now I'll write m equal to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 divided by 2. M equal to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 should be root of 1 divided by 2. Now m equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 2, comma m equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 2. M equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 6 by 2. 5 minus 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 4 by 2. M equal to 3, M equal to 2. Once you will get M equal to 3, M equal to 2 means, how do you write if the roots are, no total roots I will write, roots are, you have to check once how many roots are there. First order of the differential equation is 3, then we can write roots should be, roots are 1, 2, 3. This is the roots. Now yc equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e to the power of 2x plus c3 into e to the power of 3x. This is yc. Once you will get the roots, c1 into e power x plus c2 into e to the power of 2x plus c3 into e to the power of 3x. This is yc. How do you write yp means? You can write yp's. Yp equal to, so what is that right hand side? We know that. So e power 2x plus 2 power x plus cos 2x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. Now I'll write this one only. So yp equal to e power 2x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 6d, sorry, plus 11d minus 6 plus 2 power x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. And next one should be plus cos 2x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. Now I will take this one as yp equal to, first term I will take it as p1 plus p2 plus p3. Now we can take p1 equal to e power 2x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. Here first term should be e power 2x. Now what I have to do, this is p1 means what we will do, we know that. Similarly p2 is nothing but 2 power x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. Another one should be p3 is nothing but p3 equal to cos 2x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. Now first one by one I'll complete it. So here this is type 1. If it is type 1 means replace d by 2, p1 equal to e power 2x divided by wherever d is there in the places 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 6. Now p1 equal to e power 2x divided by 2 cube is 8 minus 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. This is nothing but 6 into 4 should be 24 plus 22 minus 6. Now you can write 22 plus 8 should be 30 minus 30 plus 30 should be 0. So p1 equal to e power 2x divided by 30 minus 30 should be 0. Now p1, whenever denominator comes 0, x into e power 2x I'll write. Whenever denominator comes 0, sorry, I'll show that one, then afterwards I'll write. So p1 equal to e power 2x divided by 30, sorry, 30 minus 30 should be 0. Whenever denominator comes 0, so what we will do means, we'll put x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator. What is f of d is nothing but f of d is d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. The time f dash of d, I will get it as 3d square, 6 into this is 12d plus 11. Now p1 equal to, we will put x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator, x into e power 2x divided by differentiation of f dash of d is nothing but d cube should be 3d square, 6d square should be minus 12d plus 11, 11d should be 11, minus 6 should be 0. Now we'll put d equal to 2, replace d by 2, p1 equal to x into e power 2x divided by, in the place of this is 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 11. So I'll do this, I'll get, so p1 equal to x into e power 2x divided by, if you'll add 3 into 2 square should be, 2 square is 4, 12. This is minus 24, 12 minus 24, this is 12. 12 minus 24 should be minus 12 plus 11. Minus 12 plus 11 should be minus 1 I'll get. This is the p1 value. Next, p2 is nothing but e power 2x is that. This is also type 1 only. In the type 1, I'll write p2 equal to 2 power x is that means you will write e power log 2 into x. E power log 2 into x divided by d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. What is that x coefficient should be? X coefficient should be log 2. Here, replace d by log 2. We'll replace d by log 2. p2 equal to e power log 2 into x divided by d cube is nothing but log 2 whole cube minus 6 into d square should be log 2 whole square plus 11 into d is nothing but log 2 minus 6. Already I told that. So whenever e power x comes, this one you can write e power log a into x. Directly in the place of a, I put 2, log 2. So now this is the solution of P2. Next, P3 is here. So P3 means, here say P3 equal to cos 2x divided by d cube minus 6d square is there plus 11d minus 6 is there. Whenever it is type 2, in type 2 what we will do, we know that it is type 2. In type 2, replace d square by minus a square. But here d cube is there. D cube is there means I'll write the d cube as, that is d square into d I'll write, and I'll simplify that. Now I'll write P3 equal to cos 2x divided by d cube place, I'm writing that one should be d square by minus a square. What is that a means here? 2 minus 2 square. Now I'll write d cube is nothing but right p3 equal to cos 2x divided by this one should be, I'll write d square is nothing but minus a square. Minus a square means minus 2 square into d minus 6d square. 6 into minus 2 square plus 11d minus 6 plus 11d minus 6. Now p3 equal to cos 2x divided by minus 2 square. What is that? Minus 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 4d. Next, minus 2 square is nothing but minus 4 into 6 is nothing but plus 24 plus 11d minus 6. Now we'll write p3 equal to cos 2x divided by, this is minus 4d plus 11d should be 7d. 24 minus 6 should be minus 18. I think you understood. So d cube is there means d cube we get anything as d square into d. In the d square place I put minus 2 square. Again 6 into d square is there. That place also I put minus 2 square. Minus 6 into minus 4 should be plus 24. 11 into d is nothing but d place I kept as it is minus 6. Now you will get minus 4d plus 11d should be 7d. And 24 minus 6 should be 18. What 18 means? Plus 18. This is plus 18. Now you will multiply with, so p3 equal to cos 2x divided by 7d plus 18 into 7d minus 18 divided by 7d minus 18. If you will multiply this, p3 equal to 7 into d by dx of cos 2x minus 18 into cos 2x divided by, so a plus b into a minus b, I'll write 7d whole square is nothing but 14. 7d whole square is nothing but 49d square. 49d square minus 18 into 18 is nothing but 18 into 18 is nothing but minus 324. Minus 324. Now, what is the differentiation of cos 2x is nothing but 7 into p3 equal to 7 into cos 2x should be minus 2 into sin 2x minus 14 into sin 2x. Differentiation of cos 2x is nothing but minus, differentiation of cos is minus 2 sin 2x. 7 into minus 2 is minus 14 into sin 2x minus 18 into cos 2x divided by, we'll put in the place of p3 equal to 49 into minus d square should be minus 2 square minus 324. Minus 2 square minus 324. So what is that? Minus 49 into 4 is nothing but minus 49 into 4 is nothing but 196. We will get P3 equal to, I'll write to this side. So P3 is nothing but P3 equal to minus 14 into sine 2x minus 14 into sine 2x minus 18 into cos 2x divided by minus 18 into cos 2x divided by minus 196 minus 196. Next, what is the minus of 324? Minus of 324. Now we'll write this minus 196 plus minus 324 equal to, we can write 520. P3 equal to minus 14 into sine 2x minus 18 into cos 2x divided by minus 520. This is P3. Now I'll write, so yp equal to, so what is that? Yp is nothing but, P1 plus P2 plus P3. P1 is nothing but x into e power 2x minus 1. P1 is nothing but x into e power 2x divided by minus 1 plus P2. What is that? P2 is nothing but, e power log 2x divided by e power log 2 into x, or e power 2x also we can write, divided by, we can write log 2 whole cube minus 6 into log 2 whole square, plus 11 into log 2 minus 6 plus minus 14 into sine 2x minus 18 into cos 2x divided by minus 520, or this only I'll write y equal to yc plus yp. What is that? Y equal to yc is nothing but, we know that already we have written c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x plus c3 into e power 3x plus x into e power 2x minus x should be, this only I'll write, minus x divided by minus 1. I'm writing as minus of x into e power 2x plus g power log 2 into x divided by log 2 whole cube minus 6 into log 2 whole square plus 11 into log 2 minus 6 plus 14 into sine 2x plus 18 into cos 2x divided by 520. This is y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc plus yp. Here I took minus commonly, then I cancel this one. Here minus is there, so I took that one to the numerator. Right. Similarly, we can see some more problems, the mixed types. Right. Solve. Next problem. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 2x square plus sine 2x. 2x square plus sine 2x. d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 2x square plus sine 2x. Now solution. D square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 2x square plus sine 2x. Now complementary CF. D square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3, C equal to 2. We'll take this. M equal to minus of minus should be minus B plus or minus root of B square is nothing but minus 3 square minus 4 into A into C divided by 2A. 2A is nothing but 2 into 1. 2 into 1 should be 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Now M equal to m equal to minus b means 3 plus or minus minus 3 square should be 9 minus 8 divided by 2. M equal to 3 plus root of 1 should be 3 plus 1 divided by 2, and m equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 2. M equal to 4 by 2 is 2, comma m equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 2 by 2 is 1. Yc equal to c1 into e power 2x plus c2 into e power x. This is Yc. Now Yp equal to second order I took. So Yp equal to, I'll take, what is that, 2x square plus sine 2x is there here. 2x square plus sine 2x. 2x square plus sine 2x is there. Divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. Now I'll write this one only. Yp equal to 2x square divided by d square minus 3d plus 2 plus sine 2x divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. Now I'll write, so Yp equal to P1 plus P2. What is that? P1 is nothing but P1 equal to 2x square divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. First I can simplify this. Whenever it is a type 3 problem, x polynomial comes means type 3. Whenever it is type 3 problem means directly we'll do type 3 problem means we'll do directly division method will apply. So for applying division method, so we will arrange the numerator in the power descending powers 2 minus 3d plus d square. 2 minus 3d plus d square. So numerator in terms of descending powers, denominator in terms of ascending powers. Now we can write 2 minus 3d plus d square. Here should be 2x square is there. What term you will multiply? You will get 2x square means 2 into x square is 2x square. 3 into d of x square is nothing but differentiation of x square is 2x, that is nothing but 6x minus 6x. D square of x square is nothing but, first one should be 2x, d of 2x, then again differentiation of 2x should be 2. This is plus 2. So if I'll change the symbol, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square cancelled. This is plus 6x minus 2. Now again, I'll put 2 into what you can multiply, you'll get 6x means 2 into 3x is nothing but 6x. So now 3 into d of 3x. First one should be 2 into 3x should be 6x. 3 into d of 3x is nothing but differentiation of 3x should be 3x is nothing but 3. 3 into 3 should be 9 plus 9. Sorry, not plus 9, minus 9 you have to put. Y means here minus 3d is there. So next one should be d square of 3x should be 0. Now if I'll change the symbol, this is minus and this is plus. Plus 6x minus 6x cancelled. So now here say minus 2 plus 9 is nothing but 7. Now what term I will multiply with 2? I will get this one means plus 7 by 2. Now if you will multiply this, 7 by 2 is nothing but this one should be, you will get 0. You will get 0. Now d of 3d of 7 by 2 is 0. D square of 7 by 2 is also 0. D of 7 by 2 is 0. D square of 7 by 2 is also 0. Now you will get P1 equal to, what is the quotient here? I am writing here, see, after dividing, quotient is nothing but remainder I got 0. You will get remainder 0, then P1 equal to, we will write x square plus 3x plus 7 by 2. This is the value of P1. X square plus 3x plus 7 by 2 will get. Similarly, how to do that P2? P2 is nothing but sine 2x divided by P2 is nothing but, so we will do that P2. sine 2x. P2 is sine 2x divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. Now P2 equal to sine 2x divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. Now here d square coefficient should be, what is the d square? Type 2. If it is type 2 is nothing but d square should be minus 2 square. Now P2 equal to sine 2x divided by d square is nothing but minus 2 square minus 3d plus 2. Now P2 equal to sine 2x divided by d square is minus 4 minus 3d plus 2. This is minus 3d minus 4 plus 2 should be minus 2. Now I'll take this P2 equal to minus of sine 2x divided by 3d plus 2. So we'll rationalize numerator and denominator. We'll get P2 equal to minus of sine 2x divided by 3d plus 2 is here. Then we'll do 3d minus 2 divided by 3d minus 2. Now you'll get, so P2 equal to minus of sine 2x divided by, this one should be 3 into d minus 2 divided by 3d whole square minus 2 square. Now if you'll multiply P2 equal to minus of 3 into d by dx of sine 2x minus 2 into sine 2x divided by, this is 9d square minus 4. 9d square minus 4. D square coefficient should be minus 2 square. So P2 equal to minus of 3 into differentiation of sine 2x should be 3 into differentiation of sine 2x should be 2 into cos 2x minus 2 into sine 2x divided by 9 into minus 2 square should be minus 2 square minus 4. Now if I'll simplify this, P2 equal to 3 into cos 2x should be 6 cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x divided by 9 into 4 is minus 36. Minus 36 minus 4 should be minus 40. Here one minus is outside. Minus 36 minus 4 should be minus 40. Now you'll write this one should be 6 into cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x divided by, this is 40. That equal to 40. This is P2. Now we'll write, so y equal to yc plus yp. So what is that? Y equal to yc plus yp is nothing but y equal to yc plus yp is nothing but, we'll take this one. Y equal to yc plus yp. What is that yc? So before writing y equal to yc plus yp, yp equal to p1 plus p2 I have given. What is the p1? P2 is nothing but yp plus p1 plus p2. Yp equal to p1. What is that? P1 is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 7 by 2 plus p2. What is that? P2 is nothing but, we simplified here, 6 into cos 2x. 6 into cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x divided by 40. 6 into cos 2x divided by, this is yp. Now I have to write y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc is, what is that yc? We know that yc equal to c1 into e power 2x plus c2 into e power x plus yp is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 7 by 2 plus 6 into cos 2x minus 2 into sine 2x divided by 40. Divided by 40. 6 into cos 2x minus 2 into sine 2x divided by 40. This is the required solution for the given equation. Next problem. Next problem we'll take. Solve d square plus 4 into y equal to x plus cos 2x plus e power 5x. Like this is it. So this is a problem containing all types of functions. One should be x is a polynomial, cos 2x, then e power 5x is there. So now first I can find d square plus 4 into y equal to x cos 2x, this one is there. First we have to find CF. How do you find CF first? Solution. D square plus 4 into y equal to, so I can write x plus cos 2x plus e power 5x. Now I'll write CF d square plus 4 into y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equal to 0. So m square plus 4 means a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 4. This is the thing. Now m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I'll write minus b is minus 0 plus or minus root of b square should be 0 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 4, 4ac divided by 2a. 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. M equal to minus 0 plus or minus root of minus 16 divided by 2. Minus 16 should be plus or minus 4i. So m equal to minus 0 plus or minus 4i divided by 2. You will write m equal to minus 0 is nothing but then 0 only. Plus or minus 4i divided by 2 is nothing but plus or minus 2i. M equal to, you will get it as plus or minus 2i you will get. M equal to plus or minus 2i. This is m. M equal to plus or minus 2i. Now once you will get m equal to plus or minus 2i means yc equal to, you will write e power 0x into c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into sin 2x you will get. This is yc. E power 0x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x you will get. Now, how do you simplify this? This is c1 we have done. How do you do that? c2. Sorry, pi. Pi, how do you simplify? We have to see pi equal to, how do you find pi means yp equal to, yp equal to. So what is that here? Right hand side we can see, right hand side term should be x cos 2x e power 5x. X plus cos 2x plus e power 5x divided by d square plus 4. So this is the right hand side terms, x plus cos 2x plus e power 5x divided by d square plus 4. Now yp equal to x divided by d square plus 4 plus cos 2x divided by d square plus 4 plus e power 5x divided by d square plus 4. Now I'll write, so yp equal to p1 plus p2 plus p3. What is that? P1 is nothing but x divided by d square plus 4. Now we can simplify this. This only type 3. Whenever it is type 3, so we can write this one P1 equal to x divided by 4 plus d square. I'll write. I will arrange the terms in descending powers. So now we'll write here should be, we'll take 4 plus d square. Here should be x. What term you will multiply with 4? You will get means x by 4. X by 4 into 4 should be x. D square of x by 4. 1 should be d of 1 by 4 you will get. D of 1 by 4 is nothing but 0. Now you will get, this is 0. Now if I will subtract this, this one should be 0 you will get. Now yp equal, denominator we got it 0. So now p1 equal to, what is that, x by 4 you will get. This is the value of p1. Next, what is that p2? P2 is nothing but cos 2x divided by d square plus 4. This is P2. Now, this is of type 2. Whenever it is type 2 means we'll put d square by minus 2 square will do. So P2 equal to cos 2x divided by d square is nothing but minus 2 square plus 4. If we'll do minus 2 square plus 4 means we'll get in the form of d square is nothing but minus 2 square plus 4. So P2 equal to cos 2x divided by d square is minus 4 plus 4. It will become 0. Now f of d equal to d square plus 4. F dash of d is nothing but differentiation of d square is nothing but 2d. Now P2 equal to, so whenever denominator comes 0, so here denominator dr equal to 0 we are getting. So we'll put x in the numerator, P2 equal to x into cos 2x divided by, here in the place of d square should be 2d plus 4 should be this one you will get. So now you will get P2 equal to x, you will take x by 2, integration of cos 2x by 2, cos 2x into dx I'll write, because here 1 by d is there, 1 by d stands for integration. Xp2 equal to x by 2 into integration of cos 2x should be sin 2x divided by 2. Sin 2x divided by 2. Now I'll write P2 equal to x into sin 2x divided by 4. This is the value of P2. This is the value of P2. Now I can take this is the value of P2. Now P3 is there, so that one separately I will do in the next sheet. P3 equal to e power 5x divided by P3 is nothing but P3 equal to e power 5x divided by d square plus 4. Now we'll replace d by 5. So P3 equal to e power 5x divided by d square is nothing but 5 square plus 4. P3 equal to e power 5x divided by 5 square should be 25 plus 4 should be 29. 5 square is nothing but 25 plus 4 is nothing but 29. So you will get in the form of P3. Now Yp equal to, what is the P1 is nothing but P1 is x by 4. P1 is x by 4 plus P2 is nothing but x sin 2x divided by 4. X sin 2x divided by 4 plus P3 is nothing but e power 5x, sorry, e power 5x divided by 29. This is Yp. Now y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc is nothing but e power 0x is 1. C1 into cos 2x plus C2 into sin 2x. Yp is nothing but x by 4 plus x into sin 2x by 4 plus e power 5x divided by 29, which is the required solution for the given equation. Which is the required solution for the given equation. So I have done all types of problems in the mixed type. So in the same way, we can simplify any kind of problem. That's all in this non-homogeneous differential equations.